Good day, learners. How are you all? How is your weekend? Yes, today I'm going to talk on business opportunity. And business opportunity is one of the chances that give a room to an entrepreneur to showcase their potential. Learning objective. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to gain much things, able to understand the meaning of business opportunities, learn the ways to identify your opportunities and the ideas, and discover how to generate the business idea, and also to engage in practical business opportunity aspects. Business opportunities. A business opportunity is essentially a chance or an idea to start or to grow up a business by meeting the need or filling the gap in the market. Business opportunity engage in a handling or some certain activities, applying an idea, your new innovation by providing what consumers need, what people need in the community. Work together to identify the real problem in your area, in your environment or in the economy as a potential entrepreneur, and try to motivate a more creative business solution and develop your entrepreneurial thinking skill. Ways of identifying opportunity. We have several ways to identify a business opportunity. One, identify problems that need solution. Look into your environment, your community. There are some certain problems people are facing on a daily basis. And for every complaint, it is not a weakness to an organization or to the businesses, but it serves as a what? A strength to boost their potential business. Two, use your skill and passion. That is the interest, your uniqueness, talent will determine how far your business will go. Three, analyze gap in the market. That is, find a product, a particular product or services that are needed, that people are missing in that community in order to have a greater height. And four, lis ten to consumer feedback. Yes, complain when lis ten to a complaint from the customer. Any complaint, it is a set of moving forward which will shows how improvement you have put into your product or services needed in the market. How to generate business idea. Number one, brainstorming and mind mapping. Generate many ideas quickly, then create your mind mapping to visualize and connect concepts and explain possibility when necessary. Two, research and market analysis. Making a research, study market trend and customer needs. In addition with consumer orientation, by analyzing the competition and learn from the success. Building your product or service. Yes, how can you improve in your product and service? A successful entrepreneur recognize this opportunity. That is, know this as an opportunity by observing their environment. What are the things they need in this environment? What are they lacking? What are the things that are poor here that are not yet in abundance that they will be able to produce more materials for it? They identify their problem and try to find a solution to it to meet the consumer need. Direct involvement. Yes, You need to be involved on some certain things. Group discussion on feasibility, that is, you learn from their outcome, collecting information from here and there in order to boost your business. Two, brainstorm potential business solution. Try to provide a solution to any challenges going on in your community. Three, identify your problems in your school or community. Okay, what are the things they are lacking? They need to work on it and provide a solution to it. And last one, create a simple business proposal. That is, start with little, then aiming towards to make it big later. Yes, case study. The scenario about some successful businessmen in Nigeria. Number one, we have Aliko Dangote, the Dangote Group. He is the man in charge of producing cement, sugars, and refinery. Two, we have Tony Elumelu, UBA and S. Odin. Three, we have Folorunsho Alakija, oil and fashion aspect, and how they identify and seize the opportunity through their visions and persistencies. There are some key lessons we need to learn from their success. Number one, start small and think big. They start with little and now see where they are now in a greater position. Two, identify gap in the market. Three, build strong network. Connection between you and your customer should be strong. Try to win their heart by orientating their consumer orientation. Four, embrace challenges as opportunity. Any complaint you receive from your customer, it is not a setback, it's for you to move forward to improve in your product and services. And five, continuous learning and adaptation. Learning, it is a process. It doesn't have a limit stage. We continue learning till we pass out. Conclusion. Business opportunity are everywhere. A lot of people have an idea, but financial to move on are the constraint, and persistency, that is the continuity in what they are building. That is one of the major challenges. So you just need to look. Successful entrepreneurs solve problem. They provide solution to any problem. Although an entrepreneur, their motive is to make profit, but at times they run at loss because they are the high risk taker. Try to solve a problem and meet consumers' need. Start by observing your environment, what they need, what, where, how to get it, then take action on your ideas and learn continuously from others. So let's wrap it up. We are in another segment, assignment. So I have a particular question for you. Explore local or international business opportunity, that is, you have to make your ideas on a local business idea or international business idea, at least like five. Then provide your feasibility study on two out of the five. Thank you for your attention. Your journey begin now. Start your business idea. See you next. Bye.